Okay, this is the video of Arbor Pros at the neighbors. When my tree fell, they wouldn't help me, but they're taking out their tree. So I'm glad to see it go. So what I was told is this is about twice as big as the one I had that fell. They're going to cut it up in pieces and pull it out. Then over at Joe's house, they have a truck out on his driveway, and they have a cable, and they're pulling from the truck over there the whole way, or at least to get it out of the water, I guess. Trees, they're a pain in the butt. So you really do need a lot of heavy equipment. They pulled that big thing on Joe's driveway. They're securing it, and it's going to pull most of the weight, or probably all the weight, for the pieces that they pull out of the river. So they've got a cable around the first piece to come out. Here it comes. You can see it. I'm trying to stay on my own property. So this is a relatively small piece, but it's coming out. Slow but sure. Cracking up. Okay, they're almost done. There's the last big piece coming out. I got here too late to get it, but it's coming out. There it is.